I spent decades reading self-help books because, you know, I was trying to analyze my feelings, my situation. Why do I do what I do? And it's not that those weren't helpful. I just found that sometimes the whole process would take me years to actually make that change. Whereas working with the Master Hypnosis Society, the next day I felt a difference in myself, and in the weeks and the couple of months since then, I'm just lighter and less stressed and easier on myself, and also can kind of laugh at myself when I'm behaving badly. You know, maybe it's just in my head that I'm behaving badly, or not in a useful way, I guess is a better way to say it, but I know it now. And, you know, I catch myself, so it's fantastic. That sense of control and, you know, being a good student of whatever it is I'm training on has been how I've got through life. It's been how I've got strokes or felt safe and all the rest of it. And I realized I don't need to do that anymore. That's in the past, and it was useful and helpful to me, but it's okay to not know all the answers. It's okay to just jump in and be intuitive and just really connect here as opposed to here. If you're serious about changing yourself and changing your life and finally stepping into that person you really are, I've not experienced anything else that's as powerful as the hypnosis process. So go do it today.